Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So we're on the penultimate area this week, just getting the upstairs floor in. You saw there I had to pull some wires through because I've got all the lights plumbed in, as it were, and they're underneath that floorboard, so they'll be popping out the back. And then obviously once you've got the upper level in, you've got to get some stairs in so that you can get up there. So I'm just cutting out all the individual staircase pieces, and then I shall be covering them over and assembling them together, popping them into place. Now, just to make it safe at the top of the stairs, we've got to put a handrail in, and using some of the clear film, we can put some glass in, and as well as it being safe, it looks pretty stylish too. So super cute, but really easy plant for the top of the stairs. So a bead, wrap some jute around it, then a little bit of faux greenery, wrap the rest of the jute around it, and then stuff it into the pot. Et voila, a lovely plant for the top of the stairs and what's going to be the office area. So every office needs a computer, of course. So here is a really cute laptop. I've actually done something very similar in my dollhouse. So it's a laptop printable, stuck onto a piece of card and folded over. So simple, but looks really effective. So that's my super cute laptop. Then there's a few fiddly stationery bits that have got to be made. I've got a little printable for a pen pot and a little bit of wire that's going to be fashioned into a pair of scissors. So that had to be folded round, and then a toothpick which can easily be made into pencils. Again, I've done something similar in my dollhouse with pencils. And then the pen pot, it did have a bottom come with it, but I actually felt that a button was a little bit sturdier. So I put a button as the base and then filled it with the stationery equipment. Notebook, which I made the previous week when I made all the books. So that will be going on the desk as well. So now I've got all the stationery, I need a desk to put it all on. So the desk comes as a flat pack kit, and it's got a little hole on the top desk because we're going to have a lamp that feeds through there. So it's really stylish, and you do get that sort of thing on desks sometimes, so that your plugs from your computer can go down through the hole. So it's kind of lifelike too. Really easy to put together, just basically super glued it and then put everything together, and then we can put the stationery and equipment on. And then when I'm happy with how it is, obviously I'll glue it all into place so it stays and doesn't fall off. And then also I will have to feed the light through, and then when I get it into the office, I will have to feed it through the wall as well, and that'll hold the desk in place. So this is the lamp, the pieces for the lamp. Again, just needed to be glued together. And then obviously the LED light glued around the back so you can't see it, and then that can be fed through. I think it just looks really, really good. And the last job is to make the computer chair. There is a lot of parts of the chair, like like the back piece and the seat, and stuffing, and some cream leather and cardboard. So all the pieces. So there's lots of. It's a little bit similar to the settee. Lots of pieces to be cut out. So you can see all the templates that I've had to follow, and then basically just assembled all together. And then when you've got the two seat pieces, they just need to be stuck to the stylish looking legs, and then it will all work out well in the end. So here we have it, the finished office area on the upper floor of the dollhouse. So it's right by the cute little window. I've put the plant at the top of the stairs, and then I've got the desk. It's got a notebook with a pen on it. Just use another bit of black wire for that. The lamp, the pen pot with the scissors and the pencils, and the laptop, and then the computer desk, and then the handrail. I think it looks like a great little office area, and it is actually quite a cute idea in your dollhouse. If you don't have a separate room for an office can easily be incorporated into a living room or a bedroom. So I'm always getting with this dollhouse lots of fantastic ideas for larger dollhouse projects. So I'm definitely enjoying doing it. Although I have said on occasion my fingers do get stuck together and it is super tiny, but it is very inspiring. So I have enjoyed it, and I hope you've enjoyed watching. And I still have the bedroom to do, so tune in next week to see how that goes. So as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next week, take care. Bye bye.